Xingtai Jiayang Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, located in Runjia District. Xingtai, Hebei is a modern national high-tech SME focused on food machinery research and development and manufacturing. Its research and development achievements were repeatedly reported by CCTV I Love Inventions from 2017 to 2019. The company owns multiple national invention patents, and all products comply with EU 2006-42 EC Machinery Directive with CE certification, enjoying wide industry recognition for safety, reliability, automation, and standardized production. Leveraging the local industrial cluster advantage, we offer a full product line covering meat, pasta, and vegetable processing equipment, including dumpling machines, bun-making machines, momo-making machines, steamed bun machines, roti-making machines, pita bread-making machines, non-bread machines, and other production line, fresh and frozen meat dicers and slicers, cooked food slicers, meat cutters, rib cutting machines, chicken chopping machines, fruit and vegetable washing machines, multifunctional vegetable cutters for shredding, slicing, dicing, and segmenting. We provide one-stop solutions from single machines to full production lines. All equipment undergoes strict full process quality inspection. We support small batch orders with low MOQ and spot supply for hot models, and continuously launch new optimized products. We provide professional pre-sales consultation, installation guidance, and comprehensive after-sales service. Now we sincerely recruit regional agents, OEM and ODM and project partners nationwide to cooperate for common development.